Hi, I'm going to be going over the Amy Geo homework solution. So the problem is, let ABC be an acute triangle with circumcircle gamma. Let the internal angle bisector of angle BAC intersect BC and gamma at E and N respectively, and let A prime be the antipode of A on gamma, and let V be the point where A prime intersects BC. Given that EV equals 6, VA prime equals 7, and A prime N equals 9, compute the radius of gamma. So we have the circumcircle gamma and our triangle ABC. And we're told that the angle bisector of BAC intersects BC and the circle at E and N. And then also we have the antipode of A, which is the point opposite it on the diameter, so A prime. And then finally, V is where AA prime intersects BC. So we have EV is 6, VA prime is 7, and then A prime N is 9. And we're trying to find the radius of gamma. So first, the key idea of this problem is actually to drop an altitude from A. And one of the things that might motivate this is if we look at this altitude, we're given that AN is an angle bisector, so angle BAN equals angle CAN. And then also one of the angle properties of the circumcenter is that we have this angle CA prime is equal to 90 degrees minus B, where B is the angle ABC. And we also know that if we have this altitude here, let's call this HA, the foot of that altitude, we know that angle BAHA is also equal to 90 minus B, just by the definition of an altitude. So what this gives us then is that we have these like two pairs of the same angles, which means that AN also bisects angle HAA prime. So angle HAAE is equal to angle A prime AE, or A prime AN. And now we have another pair of equal angles. We also know that we have these two right angles, AHAE and ANA prime, which means that we're going to have a pair of similar triangles. AHAE is similar to ANA prime. So this is going to give us some similarity ratios. In particular, we have AN over NA prime is equal to AHA over HAE. Okay, so taking a step back from the angle bisector that AN is for angle HAA prime, we also have that AHA over HAE is equal to AV over VE by the angle bisector theorem, where we're looking at the triangle AHAV. So we now have two sets of similarity ratios, or sorry, just ratios about the sides of the triangles. And if we let the radius that we're solving for be R, we can express all of these sides in terms of R. So first of all, we know AA prime is just 2R because it's a diameter. And an is going to be equal to the square root of 2r squared minus 9 squared by the Pythagorean theorem on right triangle A and A prime. Also, we have AHA, sorry, not AHA, AV is equal to AA prime minus VA prime, which is 2r minus 7. And now we can use all of these ratios to solve for r. So the rest of this is like not super interesting because it's just a quadratic and then we solve it for r, but we will go through it. So we have a n over n a prime is equal to AHA over HAE, which is equal to AV over VE. So we have square root of 4r squared minus 81 over NA prime, which is 9, is equal to AV, which is 2r minus 7, over VE, which is 6. So that means that the two numerators are in the ratio 3 to 2. So if we do 2 square root 4r squared minus 81, that's going to be equal to 3 times 2r minus 7. And then squaring this, we have 4 times 4r squared minus 81 is equal to 9 times 4r squared minus 28r plus 49, or sorry, not 49, 21. Oh, yeah, 49. Never mind. Which is 36r squared minus 252r plus 441 is equal to 16r squared minus 324. Okay, that looks good. And then bringing all the terms to one side, we have 20r squared minus 252r plus 765 equals 0. And this is kind of not that easy to factor. We could use the quadratic formula, or we could try to like find the terms that fit it. But eventually you'll get 2r minus 15 times 10r minus 51 is equal to 0. And the only answer that is reasonable is 15 over 2, because we're given that ABC is an acute triangle. So that means that R should be bigger than VA prime, which is 7. So the other answer, 51 over 10, doesn't satisfy that, which means that R has to be 15 over 2. And we're done.